What's going on, everybody? My name is Billy, and today we're going to be making char cloth. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need is just some 100% pure cotton. This is a t-shirt. It's got a hole in it. So yeah, we're going to cut this up. The next thing you're going to need is a metal tin. This is an Altoids tin. Nothing special. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is put a hole in here for the gases to escape. So I just take my knife and we'll knock a little hole in here. Boom, easy. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to cut up chunks of t-shirt so it can fit inside that tin. Something about like that should be just fine. All right, so now that you got all your pieces cut up, you just want to place them in your tin, just like so. All right, so the next thing you got to do is you got to build a fire. All right, the next thing you got to do is toss that guy in there. All right, now you see how that hole's on fire? That means all the gases are escaping out of there. Fire in that hole goes out, that means that it's pretty much done. So now you can see that hole's not on fire no more. That means that's pretty much done, but I'm gonna leave it in there just a little while longer. I'm pretty much thinking this guy's done. I'm gonna pull it out the fire now. Ooh, that's hot. Come here. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Alright, so it's really important that you let that cool down completely and you do not open it at all whatsoever until it's completely cool. Otherwise it will burst back into flames. So alright, so this guy's all cooled off now. Let's open this guy up, see what we got. Alright, as you can see, got perfectly made char cloth ready for your next fire. Alright, so there's a ton of uses that you can use that char cloth for, which I'll get into in a different video. But if you like this kind of thing, hit the like button. And if you don't like it, hit the dislike button twice for me, will you? Oh yeah, and if you like this kind of thing, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, Billy out.